Actually ako, pag nagpipills ako, tumataba ako. Pati yung injectables, I gain a lot of weight from it. Siguro iba-iba talaga, no? I guess for me, it's the counting.
Counting 1, 2,
Like,
3, 4, 5, ganun. Hanggang 10 ka lang, ha?
Dapat slowly, dapat
9,
slowly.
1/4. Tira. 10
Yung iba,
pumps ka lang, 10
yung
pumps.
iba, pag ganun pala, what?
Nakaka-relate ko eh. Ba't natatawa ka?
Rico!
Natatawa ka eh.
Yeah.
Rico, mukhang may nangyaring ganun na.
Sarap ko humilik ka kanina eh.
Rico Robles, Hot Babe Cherie, and Phoebe Walker. It's too hot for podcast. It's too hot for podcast.
Too Hot for Podcast is recorded live in front of a studio audience.
Coming to you live, always here at Noa by Isam. My name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
I'm Phoebe Walker.
Buffer ako ng konti. This is Too Hot
for Podcast!
Yeah! Thank you to our hardworking live studio audience who always finds a way to make it here. Women's Month. We're still at it.
Yes, we are.
A whole month of womanity. Learning a lot about you girls.
Mamaya si Rico gumagano na. Last day of humanity topic. Girl.
Girl, ano ba?
Ayaw ni Alvin yan.
Okay. So if you're wondering why, if you've seen the show, no, I've been wearing like a ring here because I'm practicing already.
Oh.
Yeah, so
Being what?
Like when you have a wedding ring, diba? You have to practice. So this is actually a sizer. They said
Yeah,
that you have to wear
sizer.
this for a few days
Talaga?
para malaman mo kung ano yung tunay na size ng ring mo.
Yeah, kasi nag-a-adjust yung finger size naturally.
Yeah, so the finger adjusts.
yes.
So
the finger size.
Yes.
Nag-a-adjust din ba siya sa...
Yeah. So ngayon, nasa adjustment
naman
phase. So
yata
if you're
isip ko
wondering, this is just a band that I'm trying to adjust.
Yeah, it doesn't mean anything.
Wala pa.
Hindi daw yan sign na...
Swinger.
Swinger. Yeah, kasi pag color black daw, swinger daw. Yeah, yun ang pala yun. So yun lang. So I had to explain. Okay, time for 2 hot tries. Here we go.
2 hot tries.
Try.
Okay, so we have another sugary.
Wow.
It's called Bete Noir.
Bete Noir.
Bete Noir.
Parang it's so no?
So I'm guessing this is
Creamy.
a flourless chocolate with
Wow.
salt,
And honeycomb.
honeycomb,
Love that.
and some sort of
Cream.
ganache
Yeah,
creamy
white
thing.
chocolate ganache.
I like flawless cakes. I like it because it's parang solid siya, man.
Yeah.
And it's really good. And it's
Alright.
good with water.
Okay.
Like water.
Are
Okay,
we
ready?
going? 1, 2, 3, go.
Talaga yung may puti talaga, eh, no?
Siyempre gusto ko yung may puti-puti.
Cherie likes it jizzled.
I like it cream pie.
Ay. Okay.
I like it cream pied.
Okay.
Cream pied. Chocolate. Tapos dapat pag kinakain.
Zoom in on that. Zoom in slow-mo.
Oh my goodness. Alam mo, baliwala yung diet mo dito no?
Ang sarap naman ito.
Grabe.
I like the richness.
Wow. So good.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, water. This will go
Thank
down well with
you.
water.
Uy, ang sarap. Oh my
It's the
gosh.
flawless goodness.
Ang sarap naman ito.
There you go.
Kasi yung may contrast siya with the honeycomb
And also the salted, the salt.
The salt.
So yummy.
So the salt really makes everything come to life.
Grabe.
So good. Grabe yung food
Paano
dito.
tayo hindi tataba dito sa show na to?
So hindi na tayo nag-alak, pero nag-dessert naman.
Parang naging mas masama.
It's so good. Let me see the one.
Grabe, huy. Okay lang,
That's a
sige.
weakness. Chocolate.
Yeah.
Pili ka. Sweets or alcohol?
Sige, sweets na.
Ano yung
Parang
white?
sweet din siya
It's
sa
salty.
akin.
Cream pie.
What's the color white on the cake?
Kuya, bigla
Come inside,
nagtago
come inside.
si Kuya.
Hi, what's the color white?
It's actually homemade in white chocolate melted with mixed with a little bit of cream.
Eh, so yan. So
White chocolate.
Kuya, I like how you said it.
Like
Honeycomb.
I like how Kuya...
So white chocolate
Said,
siya.
Thank you so
Thank you very
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good, very good. Only here at Isam, okay?
Sabi ni Kuya, creamy. Creamy. Ooh. Ooh la la.
It's good, my God.
Creamy.
It's good. And then like the white thing, it's so good.
The white thing, yeah.
It's like white chocolate. So
It is white chocolate.
I mean, like, yeah,
Yeah.
it's good, and it's like on the salty side of the white chocolate.
Yeah.
Good job.
Very. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wala-
Sobrang
I-
spoiled tayo
Sorry,
dito.
we're not gonna leave anything for everybody. This is mine. This is my favorite.
Nilawayan talaga.
Okay, that
Can
was
we put
not
this here?
very good.
Yeah.
Hindi siya masarap.
Hindi halata.
Hindi
I
siya
killed
masarap. Hindi siya masarap. Sobrang sarap.
Yeah, Bête Noire. Go get it here at
Noire.
Isam.
You know,
Thank you,
it's
thank you.
French.
Bête Noire? Isn't
Medyo
it Bethany?
Noir by Isam.
Noire by Isam. Time for shot clock. Here we
Yeah.
go.
Shot clock.
You gotta have the
Just
shot
what
clock.
we
The
needed.
tequila.
With a little bit
Of
of
sparkling.
bubbles. Bubbles. Cheers, everybody.
Sober day number. Check it on the bottom.
Ooh, 2 months na.
Yeah, it's
Lagpas, magti 3 months. Ano?
yeah.
Magti 3
yeah.
months na kaming
It's
sober.
clarity.
Sana all.
Clarity.
Ako every night lasing.
Clarity so
Rico,
far.
parang pinasa mo sa akin yung pagkalasinggero mo.
You know, it is what it is. Showbiz.
Parang ikaw dati yung ganito ah. Ano
So of
sa
course,
akin?
it's all about Women's Month, and this is me trying to learn something about women's reproductive health.
You,
Okay, I gotta learn it from the two girls that's
You need
closest
to
me.
know which hole to shoot the...
Yeah.
you know.
So is there a bowl?
The Rated R Jar. The Rated R Jar.
All right,
Okay.
so since it's Women's Month, time to bring back our Rated R jar, and I feel awkward with this because it's about you girls, and then it's me like Rated R.
Ang dami mo nga masabi.
Go ahead.
Worry pa
Awkward
to. And also, we do have a community on Facebook. So to all the
Yeah.
hotties,
Yes.
please join. Send us all your stories.
And for the
Ako muna.
proof of transparency, tinanggalan namin yung logo kasi alam niyo na.
Kasi
Pero rated R
naubusan
jar
na
pa
kami
rin
ng
to.
tape. Akala na...
We are a very transparent show. We don't hide anything
So,
from you guys.
Why do I feel dry sometimes?
What do you mean?
Ito ba, JJ? Are we talking
Yes.
about ba JJ?
Women's
reproductive health
Yeah.
kasi.
So, of course, it's Women's Month. We gotta discuss these things.
Yeah, I think pag wala kang gana.
Sometimes it's health daw eh.
Nakapagod ka,
Sometimes it's
girl.
nutrition daw eh.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's nutritional deficiencies. And sometimes if
Baka
you're
pagod ka, girl.
pagod ka
pagod ka,
din,
girl.
Or di kaya pag mga
overstimulated.
fifth round na. Siyempre naubos
Now,
na.
5 rounds.
Tulog na ako nun. Humihilik na ako nun.
Wow.
Humihilik
Yung
na
wala
ako nun.
nang yung dugo na lang yung ilalabas na.
So if you sometimes do feel something that you cannot understand,
Rico, ikaw
go see
nurse
an
ka.
OB-GYN.
Alam
Go
mo
see
to.
your doctor. Go get yourself checked. But sometimes, if you ask me, why do you girls sometimes feel dry? It could be over fatigue. It could be malnutrition. Or it could be just
Or lack
not
of
properly
water.
stimulated.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Oo.
Or
Walang
yeah,
foreplay.
not properly stimulated.
Yeah.
Gumaw
No?
agad si kuya. Hindi ka pa.
Yeah, yung parang
tulog ka pala.
ayaw gumalaw ni kuya. Gusto lang niyang iserve mo lang siya.
Oo.
So do you guys want like the whole foreplay, like talking?
Of
you're
course! It's very important.
Like, you like that?
Oo. Yung...
Okay lang ba if I touch your hair?
At least nagpapaalam.
Bakit nakakatawa
Consensual.
pakinggan pag si Rico yung nagsasabi?
Okay, I'll grab one. Why does my mood change so much before my period?
Yeah. You know, yan yung mga hindi naintindihan ng mga guys, no? Sometimes they'd say, alam mo, dramatic ka lang. Alam mo, ang
Yung
arte
1
mo
week
lang.
before the period, yes, I
Tapos
understand
very
that.
sensitive ka, di ba? Yung parang gusto mong umiyak lagi. Yung parang makakita ka lang ng pusa na hindi nakakain.
Yes.
Ikaw
Or yung
parang,
nagpilay-pilay na aso. Alam mo yung mga ganun.
Kawawa naman
Iyak
siya, ganun
ako.
na agad.
Yeah,
no?
make me nervous.
It's hormones.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
hormones.
It's perfectly, it's biological. It's perfectly natural.
Yung depressed ka lang, nang hindi
Oo.
mo alam kung bakit. Di ba?
Yeah.
Men have this issue too. When we don't get laid for a long time, we have men period.
But how long is long?
Yeah.
When it's a man period,
Man period.
you just
oo.
have to let us go. You just have to
No, I mean, how long is not
a
have
day.
a day?
What?
Wow.
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, it depends.
I was thinking a week, 2 weeks.
Yeah, mga
Yung
ganun.
sa amin kasi, weeks.
Oo,
alam mo,
oy.
like 1 month.
Ito a day.
Loka.
Gym ko lang, takbo. I mean, for me, a day.
Yeah. No, I think what's important pag ganyan, you have to tell your partner na, oh, if he asks you, say, sorry, I'm gonna get it. My period, I can feel it here. Masakit, diba? So,
Masakit yung boobs ko.
oh, masakit.
That means gumogrow ba? Pag
Pero pag
sumasakit?
before your period, sobrang parang ang init ng katawan, no? Yung para kang,
Ang
Ganun.
ganda-ganda mo.
Is it normal for my sex drive to change? Women.
Yes.
It's very mental,
Yeah.
so yes.
Yeah.
I have a question. Why is it that the women's sex drive do change?
Baka ano
I
na siya,
think because
menopause.
of the period.
Menopause ka na?
Period din.
Kasi may araw.
Kasi
Some
diba,
stage.
sex
Pag
drive mo, menopause
inaakap
na
ko
siya.
don't touch me. Pero yung mga days mananahimik ako.
Hindi, kasi
Ay,
merong
ganun siya,
time,
yeah.
di ba, before our period. Yung, before our period. Yung before,
Before man ba? Period? Before period?
lumalabas ang pagkabisaya ko, yung yatay. yung before ka nagpi-period, di ba? Parang irritable ka.
Yeah.
Parang pag hinawakan ka, don't touch me.
Yes.
So icky.
Ganon.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
Di ba't kami ganun?
Uy, pero alam mo,
Lower.
pero alam mo ba, ang babae, pag may period, sobrang horny. Promise.
Oh, ba't may mga nagtatakip
I
ng
don't know,
face
for
sa
some
audience?
strange
I'm in a
reason.
room full of like 5 women.
Uy,
Six.
more. 6.
6
For
of them
some
here.
strange reason.
Is
pag
it
may
true?
Period, yeah.
It
I mean,
depends
for
siguro.
me, yeah. And for my other friends. As in, sinasabi talaga, lalo na pag Taurus. Calling all my Taurus peeps.
Oh, natamaan.
Are you Taurus? Oh, see?
So,
Pag
tama.
Taurus. Diba? I told you. I don't know why ha, pero Taurus women feel so horny pag may period. I don't know why.
Okay, so if you agree, comment below.
Doc? Can you
If you
please
think a person
explain?
like that
Doc
too-
Alvin?
Alam niyo ba ng...
Doc Alvin yun, di ba yung pangalan nung nagtuturo?
Yes,
ng-
yes, yes.
Bakit kasi Alvin din yung pangalan nung isa?
We should guess Doc Alvin here. We
I
can.
know, I wanna, ang gwapo ni Doc Alvin, no?
Ka-asawa lang
Oo.
nun.
Doc, bakit ba horny ang babae kapag ka malapit na ang period? Doc Alvin, please answer.
Oh, yan. So kindly, Doc Alvin, on the next edition to...
But Doc Alvin, we want you here beside us. Charot.
I said me?
Too
Who's gonna
hot
draw?
for podcast.
Who's gonna draw? One more?
Si Shri.
Shuri, go.
Okay.
Hindi, ako pag fertile ako, that's when I'm, in the mood.
Ayan na,
Oh.
Rico, alam mo na.
Pag fertile.
Pag fertile siya, she wants viability of sperm.
Yeah, I think it's seasonal.
Biological.
Can hormones affect anxiety or depression? Yeah.
Yes,
I
that
think
is
so.
one of the major guide of it that commands it. Kasi nga
Culprit.
yung hormone, a culprit
Yeah.
of it, yeah. So if you're having hormonal problems, do see a doctor.
Oo, kasi when you have, your period, di ba? Parang, medyo, parang gano'n na rin yun. Parang nag-anxiety ka.
Happiness,
Mm-hmm.
sadness. This is weird that I'm reading this. I'm telling you, I should just be the one like, is it normal for my breast to change size during my cycle? Girls, normal ba?
Yeah. Actually, parang namamaga, no?
Yeah, namamaga siya pag magkakaroon,
Yeah.
right?
Kaya 'di ba sabi tinanong ka kung totoo yung boobs ko kung malaki talaga siya.
Oo.
Probably pag yung super laki talaga siya na namumutok. Malapit na yung period ko nun. Kasi 'di ba masakit siya?
Yeah,
Pero pag weird lang kasi pagka kunyari wala ka naman period, okay ka na. Bumabalik na siya sa tamang size niya.
Yes.
Bruce
yes.
Banner, hindi na
Oo.
siya incredible.
Parang hindi na siya vavavoom. Hindi ka na pwedeng magtumalon-talon.
No, pero I read na yung pag-swell ng breasts, it's not just before you get period, it's also a sign of pregnancy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sa
yeah.
mga pregnant,
Oo.
Ikaw na.
So, yun.
lactating
So,
women.
dati kasi I'm like, hindi, okay, magkakaroon ako. Ganun. Tapos biglang, but it could also be pregnancy, so...
Pero it's weird, dun mo malalaman. Sa akin, I found out na pregnant ako ilang months na bago ko nalaman. Pero nagtaka ako. Yeah, nagtaka ako kasi parang may milk nga yung boobs mo.
Really?
Magkakalaman.
Hindi, pag squeeze mo siya,
What?
may lumalabas na parang white
Na
na.
So,
white?
nagsha-show ka, no? Tapos
Parang
ikaw, ba't basa yung
cream?
shirt ko?
Oo,
Ganun.
hindi nga alam ni Kuya, buhay pa si Kuya Germs nung time na yun, di ba? Tapos he was saying na, uy, ang sexy mo, 7 months na.
Seryoso, grabe.
Yeah, kasi late ko na nalaman din.
Oh yeah, ikaw lang
So, hindi ka
nakapag-check out si Kuya Germs. Chinek out ka ni Kuya
Oo,
Germs. ha?
hindi niya alam na ano.
Sumalangit Kuya Germs. Love you.
Na preggy ako nung time
Ay.
na yun, di ba?
Amen.
Okay, next question. Okay, can stress delay my period?
Yes.
Super. Na-try ko to when I was puyat lagi, Christmas to, and I was still in a girl group, Eurasia. And then, Pasko yun, so halos every night may show kami. So talagang napuyat, kumbaga nabaliktad yung araw ko.
Yeah.
And then, na-delay ako 2 weeks, which was like the biggest delay for me.
Yeah.
Tapos alaman ko, it's because of lifestyle, change in lifestyle. So, it does happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ako din, pag stress. It's either nagkaka-bleeding ako or walang period.
Yeah. Basta,
Ako din
Ang
na-discover
weird ng
ko
katawan
din.
ng babae, no?
Hair loss.
yeah,
Hair loss?
Oh,
Saan?
hair loss.
Sa baba or sa taas?
sana sa baba.
Dealing with you girls. Dealing with you girls. Hair loss. Dealing
Sana
with
sa
you
baba.
girls.
Oo, sana sa baba.
Uy, Rico.
Okay.
Shave ka naman.
Diba? Time for shot clock. Here we go.
Basta, if you're feeling anything different, just always
Go see a
consult
doctor.
your doctor.
Yeah.
See a doctor. Okay?
Kasi mahirap yung sa Google
What's this?
tayo
What's this?
tumitingin.
Strawberry smoothie.
I love this. Oh my goodness.
Alright.
Thank
So-
you, Noir. Thank you, Isam.
It's real
Yum.
strawberries. It's not shortcut
Sarap.
strawberries. There's some seeds of
This
the
is so
strawberry
good.
here.
My dad would
Sarap.
like this.
Yeah, delicious,
sarap.
delicious.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Good.
Okay, is it your turn? Your turn.
I love lahat ng sineserve sa atin ng Isam today.
I know.
Ako din,
Ang
lahat.
sarap.
As in.
What is that? That's just episode 2. Oh, man.
How do I know which method is right for me?
This is, I'm guessing,
Method in-
birth control?
Birth control ata eh. No?
Yeah.
Actually ako, pag nagpipills ako, tumataba ako. Pati yung injectables, I gain a lot of weight from it. So I guess it's more of, for me siguro iba-iba talaga, no? I guess for me it's the counting.
I'm counting 1, 2,
Like,
3,
the-
4, 5, ganun. Oh, hanggang 10 ka lang, ha?
Dapat
9 and a half,
slowly, dapat
9,
slowly.
1/4. Tira.
Di
10 pumps ka lang, 10
yung
pumps.
iba pag ganun pala,
Nakaka-relate ko eh. What? Ba't natatawa ka?
Rico.
That's funny.
Natatawa ka eh.
Yeah.
Rico, mukhang may nangyaring ganun na.
Sarap kung humilik ka kanina eh. Ako.
Uy.
Sarap
Hindi
matulog.
pa tayo magka-live in.
Hindi, ano yun, 14 days. Diba? Like 14 days before
As
your
a cycle.
period. And 14 days after your period.
Safest.
Yeah.
Di ba usually 3 days before, 3 days after?
Hindi, 14 days.
14. Oh, di ba? Depende yun. This, again, consult your doctor.
I mean,
No,
baka
safe,
naman may
safe
mga
method.
doctors tayo dyan.
Kasi iba-iba ang
Baka
period
mali
and
yung-
cycle ng mga tao.
oo.
If you're irregular, do your best. Abstinence is still the best, if you ask me.
Yes.
I abstain.
We do not condone premarital sex.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
I have a
Yun
question
nga.
for you girls.
Oh, ano yun?
Why does my period smell different sometimes?
What the hell is
Oo
that?
nga. Oo nga, no, siguro after.
No, I think it's the toxic in your blood.
Yeah.
In your body, in your system.
From what I've read, also in college, is like the epithelial walls and all that.
Wow.
When it collapses.
Slimming.
Very
right?
scientific.
Ano yun eh, it is the toxins in your body.
Yes,
It's,
yes.
It allows, of course, it prepares your body for conception. So, nililinis niya yung mga lining and all that. So, and the hormonal stuff.
Yeah.
So, depende yan talaga sa hygiene mo. So, sometimes if you're the type na nagka-tampon and then for a long time you don't change it, pwede kang magkasakit nun.
Oh my gosh.
No, also,
Yeah.
pati not just the sanitary napkin, also the panty liners.
Yeah.
Dapat every 6 hours you change.
Alam mo, Phoebes, meron
Oo.
palang hindi alam ng mga guys, no? Napansin ko lang, you know the cup? Do you know the cup?
Yeah. Gumagamit ka
Ang
nun?
sakit pag nagpo-pole dancing ako kasi I have to. Kasi pagka yun ang ginamit mo, for sure, wala siyang drip kasi nakahigpit siya sa inside eh. Pero my God, the worst thing is putting it in.
How do you put it in?
I'm crying, walang putting it in.
Hindi lang siya nakasalo doon. You have to...
You have to fold it.
Oh, it's like a diaphragm.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's so
like a ring.
painful. Yeah.
So that no
really?
drips will come out.
Yeah. And then yung hard part is when you pull it out.
So it's like
oh
an
my
IUD.
Gosh.
Ano, tatalsik, ganon?
Oo, girl. Parang may murder scene.
Oh.
Yeah. Like inside the cup, it's full, di ba? So lahat ng buo-buo talaga, makikita mo siyang sabay-sabay siyang lumalabas ng, di ba, dinescribe ko pa ng malala.
And our two hot tries is
Lahat,
actually
dinemo pa yung may
dinuguan.
ganun, no? Yeah.
With
Kaya pala
puto-
siyang dinuguan with puto bongbong. Ganun.
No, but that's safe for the environment, ah. It's,
Yeah.
less wastage. Syempre, it's
At
reusable.
saka siya,
You just
it's
wash
very
it.
good for, kasi yun nga, pag nagpo-poll ako, syempre kailangan, wala talagang kahit konting drip, diba? In fairness talagang, it protects you from leaking.
I'm learning something new, guys.
Yeah, question, may
Hindi
guys
pala
ba?
alam ng guys yun.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
hindi, may guys ba na fetish nila yung may men's?
Hindi ko alam.
Parang
You never
ang
know.
lala
Ay,
nun
you know what?
no?
I asked that.
Oh.
Sabi nung, sino ba yeah. The guys that we're gonna be taping doon soon. Sabi nila, okay lang daw sometimes. Depende daw.
Depende kung lasing.
May iba na parang nangdidire. Pero may iba na parang okay lang sa kanila.
Pero minsan nagkaka-UTI kayo if you have
para
sex
lang,
during your period.
para lang mailabas yung ano nila.
Kasi if I'm not mistaken, your pH level in your vagina is different when you have your period.
That's why kailangan mag-wash agad. May
Yes.
ibang guys kasi
Okay,
na after sex, wala mo nang nakahiga lang ng gano'n.
Nakayakap sa'yo. Yay! Cuddle.
Tapos dikit-dikit na yung yun, no?
Pillow
Uy.
talk.
Ew!
This-
Pillow talk.
Can I get
Dire.
pregnant from this?
What's this?
What is this?
Anything.
this?
Like a method?
From what?
If there is penetration, you will
can
get pregnant.
Yeah.
Unless you're on your period, then no.
Si
Right?
nga, nag-swimming, nabuntis.
Huy, Rico!
Di ba?
Piblip mo yun.
Di ba nag-swimming ng sabatis?
Paging Alvin.
Nasa sa inyo yan.
Paki-explain.
No, but then if there's
Paki-explain. Ibang Alvin to, ah.
If there's
Dito sa Doc
penetration, there is. It's as simple as that.
There's a
So, yeah. There could be something that. Even,
last one.
Even yung facial, buntis yun.
Hindi, oh. Naks.
Dali, meron ka pa na-adikit. Asa sideburns.
Di ko ba Di ko ba natanggal? Why am I late if the test is negative?
It could be hormonal. Like, you got thrown off, hormonal imbalance ka. Meaning, kasi sometimes, depending on it, kasi nga progesterone and estrogen, correct me if I'm wrong, people, I haven't been a nurse in a while, but yung progesterone and estrogen levels mo, pa nagaganon.
Wow, ang galing. Alam mo yan.
And then kapag
Oo.
nagkaroon ng imbalance,
Inaral nyo?
that is not at the right time,
Eh, kasi diba,
then your
you try.
epithelial walls won't collapse and you won't have your period.
Ang
So
dami
you
niyang
have to just,
explanation.
sometimes when you change sexual rhythm, sexual positions, and the norm, your body's used to it, tapos biglang nag-iba kayo ng posisyon, ng sequence, malilito yung body mo.
Wow, may
Nakadidelay.
sequence ba?
Oo nga.
Yes.
Talaga?
Pero may sequence yan.
Talaga?
So how do you bring it back?
So, kain
sometimes?
muna, tapos...
So you gotta do that. You have to bring it back to the natural flow state.
So, kain muna, tapos tihaya, tapos doggy style.
Okay,
ganun.
binaliktad mo.
Oh, ano?
Doggy style, kain, tihaya. Maglilito yung katawan. No, what's this?
Ah.
Yeah. So, ibalik mo sa
Kasi
sequence na
kain
yun.
muna eh.
Yan. So, nakita mo.
Diba?
Ayan.
Gusto ko yung mukha ni Phoebe.
Okay. Yun
All
pala
right.
yun.
So, I'm learning a thing or two. Hopefully I'm answering it properly. This
Yeah.
is from my knowledge.
He, by the way, is a registered nurse.
But I'm
so
speaking
to
from
everybody,
experience.
Yeah, baka nagtataka kayo, bakit know-it-all si Rico?
May ano lang?
Bakit know it all si
Dala ka ba
Rico?
yung...
Yay, time for a shot!
Woo!
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oh, bakit may...
Ano yan?
papakita niya yung kanyang PRN.
PRC.
PRC.
Ayan, PRC. PRC.
Yan. Kaya marami po siyang
Gusto mo pa BP? Ganun
Oo,
na, no?
pwede.
Alright,
Papabiti
time
ko.
for a shot, ladies.
Learn so much
And
today, ladies.
gentlemen.
I know that periods
Cheers.
are just a period in time, but I've learned a lot about mood swings, sex drive. Tingnan mo, minom na kagad yung dalawa. Hindi marunong maghintay dahil may mga hormones and stress problems. At pag kinokontra ka, naka-contraceptives yun. Ang labo eh, no? But yeah, I'm learning a lot. You know, Women's Month. I hope there's a Men's Month. Is there a Men's Month?
No, you know why?
Ay, alam mo, isa pa nga ang topic na napag-usapan namin sometimes sa mga friends, yung rights ng lalaki tsaka ng babae kapag kunyari, pag babae, di ba may vowsy pag sinasaktan yung babae. How about if yung lalaki ang sinasaktan?
Ako lagi, I just wanna fight for the right of...
Walang
pag ayoko na ng one more round.
Meron
pwede
din
bang
domestic
pa-
abuse for men.
Meron, verbally.
Talaga?
Yeah, but of
No,
course
what
it's
I
harder.
mean is, pag sinaktan, di ba pag babae yung sinaktan, kulong agad yung lalaki? But what if ang babae yung violent?
I
Sabihin
think
ay wusi naman
it
nung guy
still
na yun.
is
di ba?
grounds for domestic abuse,
Yes.
ang alam ko. But, syempre, pagdating sa ganyan kasi, iniiwasan nila yung he says, she says. So, kailangan important ang mga parang witness,
Yeah.
evidence, pablotter ka agad,
So in the
CCTV,
few
mga ganon.
episodes of Too Hot, we will probably gonna have a lawyer
Yeah.
to explain this side.
Yeah, gusto ko
Alright?
yan.
So we want to have experts
Calling
come in.
our lawyer friends.
Yes, to join us. All right.
join
Okay,
us.
so that's the show.
Yeah.
Whew, ate so much, drank so much, and learned a lot about
Oo
sex
nga.
drives,
Busog
moods,
na
and
ako.
periods, and and everything. So thank you. Also, the cake is called. What's the cake called?
Bete Noir.
Thank you to
Bete
Bet Noir. Thank you, Bet Noir. You were
Thank you.
delicious here at
Thank you,
Isam.
Isam.
You can order it on the daytime. If you're at Noir here upstairs of Isam, you get to party out and eat that too.
Yes.
Till then, my name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this is
Too Hot for Podcast.
Thank you, everyone.